Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your Keto Chef Rob. Today we're making Crack-erz. We're making crackers, and these taste like a Cheez-it. They go great on so many things. I'm talking you put little hors d'oeuvre toppings on there. Let me show you how to make these Cheez-it crackers. You're gonna love this. Let's do it. Pretty simple recipe here. First thing first, we gotta get an egg beaten. We're just using one large egg, and we're gonna dump in some almond flour here. Just a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix and let that hydrate. Just put it off to the side. I don't have a microwave, so I'm going to use what's called a bain. And if you've seen my chocolate recipe, you've seen me use this before. It's a controlled way to bring an ingredient up to temperature. Now, the other component of this recipe is melted cheese. If you've got a microwave, great. Just dump the cheese in a bowl, microwave it a little bit at a time, mix it up until it's melted. We just want to get it melted enough so that we can mix it with the rest of our wet ingredients. Now, if you want to experiment with the cheeses, you can do just 100% of this orange cheddar if you want to get that really orange Cheez-it look. Keep in mind, if you choose to use a older, harder cheese like Parmesan, these are going to come out even crispier and more bold. If you find something that was really awesome, a cheese that worked really well, please put it in the comment section. I'd love to know about it. And next, I'm gonna take some parchment paper, and I'm worried about it sticking. It probably would be fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and rub some butter on here. Why not? Just to make sure that it doesn't stick. Make sure you keep in mind this is going into a baking sheet, so make it the size of your baking sheet. Toss it in the oven at 400 degrees for 7 minutes. We're gonna take it out, we're gonna flip it over and toss it back in there for 3. And now watch while this is cooking, guys, because you could burn this quickly. I like mine a little bit crispy. And as you can see here, I got a simple little avocado sauce. Here's a recipe for that. These turned out incredible. Seriously, try this. Keep it keto. Stay healthy, guys. Peace.